Hi guys, today I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 18 with Silzee. Search jailbreak iOS 18 Silzee using a Safari browser. Head into iOS 18 jailbreak page. Now it's time to install TyMax Jailbreak Tool. Tap on Install TyMax online. First you will get the App Store into your device. Open the App Store and click on Jailbreak Solutions. You'll see the TyMax Jailbreak Tool on the list. Install TyMax. Open the TyMax app and continue the process. Select Install Cydia 2 and tap on Continue. You have successfully installed the Cydia 2 on your device. As you can see on the screen, continue the steps to get repos into your iPhone. So, you can discover unlimited jailbreak features with Cydia 2 Package Manager. Download the TyMax Jailbreak Tool with Silzee and experience the awesome things on your iOS 18 running iPhone.